On Sunday, February 9th, I had the pleasure of meeting Ebby Saghian in our ballroom as he gave me a presentation of motorized window coverings from 3-Day Blinds. 3-Day Blinds currently is offering a buy one, get one at half price sale. I told Ebby that we were interested in covering these 2 sliding doors and these 3 windows in the ballroom. He measured the openings and showed me different fabrics and density. He offered both hand-drawn and motorized blinds. He explained that motorization is more expensive, but when people are handling the blinds physically, there are more chances of damaging the blinds, as we've seen in the fitness room with the same 3-Day Blinds. He explained that to open and close them with motorization, controlled with a wireless remote, chances of damaging them are a lot less, yet expensive up front, with a lifetime warranty on the fabric and mechanical parts and a 5-year warranty on motors. Taking the physicality out of handling the openings and closing of the blinds could be a lot less costly. As it is right now, we need to have the blinds in the fitness room repaired. At the prices quoted to me, we would get 2 big motorized blinds for the sliding glass doors and 3 regular size ones for the windows. Each shade would come with a rechargeable battery-powered motor, a charging cord for every 2 blinds we buy. Now, if we want to buy more battery chargers, we can spend more money. But the batteries ought to be charged once a year. In our case, the blinds opening and closing once or twice per weekend, we may not have to charge them for a year and a half. It takes about 4 hours to charge them fully from a completely drained state. There is one remote that controls all the blinds and comes with a Wi-Fi hub that connects the blinds to our Wi-Fi system. You just plug the hub into a wall outlet, configure it to our Wi-Fi system, and the one remote will control the whole room. The remote has multiple channels that can control each shade. Each shade has its own channel, or one channel can be programmed to control all shades at one time. Furthermore, with the free app, you don't need the remote. You can control the blinds with your phone, tablet, or computer from anywhere in the world. With connectivity to the app will tell you how much battery power is left in each shade. 3-Day Blinds are custom installed on the spot.